Hey everyone, Dr. Rodman with Sports Chiropractic. Today I want to share use it, don't abuse it. This is a concept that I learned a long time ago when I was listening to a personal trainer share a story about a championship powerlifter that he worked with. This powerlifter was a guy that can deadlift, 800 plus pounds. And this guy, he came to the trainer with severe lower back pain, not from deadlifting, but just from like picking things up off the ground with household chores. And this championship, powerlifter had tried many different therapies and nothing was really helping him. So he went to the trainer and the trainer said, here's what I want you to do. I want you to do 1,000 good mornings every single day for the next 2 weeks and come back and see me. And it was an interesting concept for the powerlifter, but he came back and eventually he was like, I'm ready to compete. He was ready to go. He was a lot better. And I thought just this concept of use it but don't abuse it was such an interesting idea and something that we do in our office but on a modified per person type of basis. We don't want to give everyone 1,000 reps of something. But what that trainer was trying to do is basically when we were working out, we were breaking down muscle and our body sends repair factors to that area to help it to grow and to get stronger so that it can be resilient to the next time it has to lift that kind of load. So this trainer basically, instead of working out the entire body, said, I want to send all those repair factors just to the injured area. So he made that powerlifter do good mornings, which is basically a really good way to target the lower back muscles with no weight, just body weight. So he used it, but he didn't abuse it. He didn't overdo it and over challenge that area, but he did want to send blood flow and repair factors to that area, keep it from atrophying, and also pump out some of the toxins that happen from an injury and from really not using it. So that concept is something that we love at Sports Chiropractic. We do on a per person basis and modify it according to that person's ability level. And we also will communicate with your personal trainer to let him or her know, hey, this is what's going on with this person. This is what we recommend. We want to keep them under your supervision in the gym, and we want to transition them back to exercise as soon as intelligently possible, not overdoing it, but get them back to active lifestyle as soon as possible. So I hope use it, don't abuse it is a concept that you guys like and understand. At Sports Chiropractic, we can help you. If you're having a chronic injury and you're just not recovering well, we'd love to help you. If you have an acute injury, something that just happened, we'd love to help you as well. Or if you're just looking to perform at your highest level and avoid injuries, we can also be a part of that team for you. So use it, don't abuse it. Concept that we like to educate patients on at Sports Chiropractic. Dr. Rodman, have an awesome day.